Alright guys, I'm back with another video. I hope to make this really short. So this is just gonna be a daily update for the short interest for GME. Today is the 23rd of February 2023. And the trading day at 2014, down about 1.8%. Actually, I expected more because the SPY went down pretty low today. Pretty scary, but of course, like towards the end of the day, it rocketed back up. I think they're trying to trap more people to feel like, hey, the worst is over. Come to find out, tomorrow there is a PCE report coming up. PCE is a personal consumption expenditure. So the PCE is something that the Fed usually use to determine the inflation or the rate hike and how high to raise the rate, right? So since the inflation or CPI came out last week, kind of hot. I'm expecting this one to do the same thing, right? So last month it was reported to be 4.4%. So if it goes up, from there, whether it's 5% or 4.5, 4.9 or whatever, that is still high, right? Anything above that, it's going to crash the market. Now, when I said crash, I mean it's going to bring the S&P 500 down. And if the S&P 500 is down, that means GME is going to follow that as well. It has been following the trading, trend of SPY for quite some time now, right? So that's just my prediction. Of course, it's not a financial advice here. All right, so let's move on here. The intraday trading went as low as 1953, as high as 2087. That's good to see. Oh, all right, so the same amount of shares being shorted for the whole company. Again, the same percentage, but data cover went up. That's pretty substantial. So that tells me that the volume is probably low. Down to 2. Okay, let's take a look at it real quick. Whoops. Well, according to Weibo, it is 2.86 million shares being traded today. So if you were to divide this number by 2.8 million, I'm sure it's going to come out to be that, around that data cover. So that's how they determine it, right? And of course, there's always off exchange short volume over there, close to 600,000 shares there. And of course, the ratio is up to the 62 to 63% again. So that's the 62% of trading volume that you don't get to see in the lit market. Okay. Alright guys, that's all I have. So be on the lookout for tomorrow. Of course, it's gonna move the market either way. Don't freak out, right? If it's down, of course, that's the opportunity. If it's up, yay, right? We'll see. Alright,